everyone, today I am going to discuss one more example on conversion of NFA to its equivalent DFA. So here we have got a NFA diagram. So we know that our first step is step 1. Draw a table for NFA, that is transition table of NFA. So we have Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3, total 4 states. So we have Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3, and Q0 is a start state, Q3 and Q2 are the final state, and we have input A, B. Okay. So we will draw a table for this. So Q0 on A, it is going to Q0 and it is even going to Q1. So we will make a set. Q0 on B, it is going to Q0 only. Q1 on A. So Q1 on A, it is going to Q2. Q1 on B, it is going to itself. Next Q2 on A. Q2 on A, it is going to, this is A comma B. So Q2 on A, it is going to Q3. Q2 on B, it is going to Q3. Q3 on A, it is going to nowhere. Q3 on B, it is going to Q2. Okay, this is the state. This is a transition table for NFA. So next we have step 2. Draw a transition table of DFA. So A, B. So we'll start with the Q0 first. So here Q0 on A, it is going to Q0, Q1, and Q0 on B, it is going to Q0. So here we know that in DFA Q0, Q1 will become a new state. So here Q0, Q1 will become new state. So how Q0 comma A union Q1 comma A, that is it will show Q2 value. Sorry. So how we will so Q0, so here Q0 on B, it is going to Q0, Q1 on B, it is going to Q1. So Q0, Q1. So here new state is Q0, Q1, Q2. So we will form Q0, Q1, Q2. Okay. So here Q0, Q1, Q2, and we know that Q2 is a final state, so we represent as a final state. And Q0 on A, Q1 on A, Q2 on A, we will get Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3. See, Q0 on A we will get Q0, Q1, Q1 on A we will get Q2, Q2 on A we will get Q3. And next Q0, Q1, Q2 on B. So we will get Q0, Q1, Q3. So we can take this as a new state. So we will take as Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3 has a new state. So this is also final state because Q2 is also present, Q3 is also present. So here we will see for A, we will see Q0 on A, Q1 on A, Q2 on A, Q3 on A. So we will get answer as Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3. Okay. And next Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3 on B. So we will get Q0, Q1. So Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3. On B it is going to Q0 on B, Q0 it is going, Q1 on B it is going to Q1, Q2 on B it is going to Q3. So we will write Q3. Q3 on B it is going to Q2. So in this we have done this one and we have done for this one and this one. So remaining new set is this one, Q0, Q1, Q3. So we will take as Q0, Q1, Q3 as a new state. Okay. And Q3 is a final state. See, Q3 is a final state. So we will be taking this as a final state. So Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3. On A where it is going, we have to check Q0, Q1, Q3. Only these three value on A where it is going. So it is going to Q0, Q1, Q2 and 5. That means it is going to Q0, Q1, Q2. Okay. Next, on B where it is going, Q0, Q1, on Q1, Q2. Q0, Q1, Q2. Okay. Now we will draw a state diagram. We know that here these all states are a single state. So we will come for this table. Now we have done with table. Now we will draw a state diagram here. Okay. We will take first state Q0. So this state we have taken as start state. See here. Next is Q0, Q1, Q2. Q0, Q1. Next is Q0, Q1, Q2. That is a final state even here. So we will take it as final state. Q0, Q1, Q2. And next we have Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3. So we have Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3. This is also a final state. Next we have Q0, Q1, Q3. This is also a final state. Q0, Q1, Q3. Q0 on A it is going to Q0, Q1. On B it is going to itself. See here, this table I am seeing and I am drawing. Q0, Q1 on A it is going to Q0, Q1, Q2. On B it is going to itself. And Q0, Q1, Q2 on A it is going to Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3. On B it is going to Q0, Q1, Q3. And Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3 on A it is going to itself. On B it is going to itself. And Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3 on A it is going to Q0, Q1, Q2. So on A it is going to, on B it is going to, on B it is going to same state. So this is our final state diagram. Okay.